Welcome everyone to the Spotlight, Ingredient Spotlight by Life Extension. I'm Dr. Mike Smith, the Director of Education and spokesperson for the company. And today we're going to talk about nighttime urination support for men. And it's a combination of researched nutrients that we've put together in a nice formula for you. So let's go ahead and look at our first slide here. Target audience for this product is men who wish to reduce the frequency of their nighttime urination caused by issues involving the bladder, urethra, and prostate gland. The problem, as men get older, the prevalence of lower urinary tract symptoms, you'll hear it referred to as LUTs, increases. And these symptoms include hesitancy when urinating, poor and or intermittent stream, staining or dribbling, prolonged urination, a feeling of incomplete bladder emptying, increased frequency and or urgency, and then the key one is nocturia. That's nighttime urination, and it is the most prevalent system. You know, with our aging population, LUTs and nocturia start to become a substantial public health issue. Some more of the problem here. Nocturia impacts 60% of men over the age of 60. Conventional treatments typically fail to reduce nocturia and come with adverse side effects. And not only does it severely impact sleep patterns, but nocturia also has been associated with a negative daytime function because you're not sleeping well, a reduced quality of life. It contributes to depression, and there's also an association with increases in falls and fractures. So our solution is, again, a combination of nutrients, beta-cytosterol, pygeum, lycopene, boron, and melatonin. We're putting these together in one product to really help nighttime urination or nocturia. Beta-cytosterol supports healthy 5-alpha reductase activity, so it helps to lower that potent testosterone DHT. It also inhibits inflammation. Pygeum inhibits 5-alpha reductase as well, helps with bladder contractility. Lycopene promotes healthy prostate size and structure. Boron inhibits the activity of PSA, which reduces level of interleukin IGF-1 and prostate growth and proliferation. And then melatonin obviously is going to help, give us a good night's sleep. So it's really this formula is really focusing on multiple mechanisms to help the prostate and to help with sleep. So this study was to evaluate the effects of a prostate health formulation using what's called an IPSS questionnaire score, as well as physical, mental, and sexual health assessments. This was 30 healthy men, ages between 45 and 72, with mild LUTs symptoms. It's an open-label, 60-day pilot study. It was 180 milligrams of beta-cytosterol, 100 milligrams of pygeum, 15 milligrams of lycopene, 10 milligrams of boron, and 2 milligrams of melatonin. And this was taken 1 hour before bedtime. And at the end of 60 days, the researchers observed a remarkable improvement in nighttime urination frequency, a 64% reduction in men suffering from nocturia. This is some good data from that study. You can see the baseline 30 days and 60 days. The green bar is how many, the bars represent the prevalence of nocturia. So the green one represents 0 times per night, which was about 13% of the men in this study. The yellow is 1 time, and then the red is 2 to 3 times getting up to go to the bathroom, and that was 36.7% of the men in this study. And you can see by 60 days, we now had close to 80% of the men in this study having no nocturia, and the real worst cases, the 2 to 3 times a night, 0. No one was at that worse. So this is a significant improvement with a powerful combination of researched nutrients that we are happy to bring to the market. I want to thank everybody for listening. I'm Dr. Mike. Take care.